Sometimes you need to bring data from one Excel file into another, whether it's for consolidating reports, sharing specific data sets, or simply organizing your information more effectively. Knowing how to move or copy a worksheet is an essential Excel skill. Let's dive into how you can easily transfer or duplicate an entire worksheet from one Excel document to another. We'll cover both moving, which removes the sheet from the original, and copying, which leaves the original file untouched. First, open both the source Excel file, the one containing the worksheet you want to move or copy, and the destination Excel file, the one where you want to place it. In your source workbook, locate the tab for the worksheet you wish to work with. Right-click directly on that sheet tab. From the context menu that pops up, select the Move or Copy URL option. This will open the Move or Copy dialog box here. In the To Book drop-down menu, you'll see a list of all currently open Excel workbooks. Select your destination workbook from this list. Next, in the Before Sheet section, you can choose where you want to insert your worksheet within the destination workbook. You can place it before an existing sheet, or select Move to End to put it at the very end of the workbook. Now, here's the crucial step. Depending on whether you want to move or copy, if you simply want to move the sheet, leaving it out of the original file, just click OK without doing anything else. However, if you want to keep the original worksheet intact and create a duplicate in the new document, you must check the Create a Copy box. Make sure this box is ticked. Once you've made your choice regarding creating a copy, click OK. And there you have it. Your worksheet is now either moved or copied into your destination Excel file, perfectly organized and ready for your next task. This simple process helps you consolidate data, share information efficiently, and significantly streamline your workflow for enhanced project management.